How's your tea, Mom?
I haven't tasted it.
I like my coffee.
Yeah, I could have had a coffee.
Cold
There's a
water,
cream
boiled hot, stovetop. 1 spoonful of my instant
I
coffee.
thought I was getting big.
And 1 heaping teaspoonful of honey. I stirred clockwise. I served. I sipped. I sips. I'm just having some coffee. Gonna make myself a tea in a little while. Do you want another one?
Probably. I have something to eat.
Make your bacon and I'll make my quiche. Beauty sip. Cheers, Mom.
Cheers, but mine is finished.